Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn prepositions of place with pictures. In, inside. On. Under, beneath. Over, above. Between. Among. Near, close to. Far. Next to, beside. Behind. In front of. Opposite. At. Around. Into. Out of. Towards. Through. Along. Up. Down. Now, let's practice all the prepositions with example sentences. In, inside. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. The cat is inside the box. On. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Under, beneath. Where is the dog? He is under the table. He is beneath the table. Over, above. Where is the kite? The kite is over the tree. The kite is above the tree. Between. Where is the strawberry? The strawberry is between the two jars. Among. Where is the strawberry? The strawberry is among the jars. Near, close to. Where is the owl? The owl is near the box. The owl is close to the box. Far. Where is this owl? This owl is far from the box. Next to, beside. Where is the bear? The bear is next to the chair. Behind. Where is the rat? The rat is behind the box. In front of. Where is the bicycle? The bicycle is in front of the house. Opposite. Where is the parrot? The parrot is opposite the crow. At. Where is the girl? She is at the bus stop. Around. Where is the owl flying? The owl flying around the box. Into. Where is the boy going? He is going into the room. Out of. Where is the cat coming from? The cat is coming out of its house. Towards. Where is the dog running? The dog is running towards the boy. Through. The path goes through the hills. Along. The road runs along the river. Across. The bridge goes across the river. Up. Where are the kites flying? The kites are flying up in the sky. Down. The stones are rolling down the mountain.